Hey guys, so today I'll be making slime. I'm debating if I should put a little bit of paint next. A lot of people add paint to the slime. I think I'm going to, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit though. But, so, I also know how to make this type of slime. I'm just going to do a couple things to it. So, I'm going to use Elmo's glue. Elmo's glue is the only thing that works, so I'm just going to add some to it. So, Elmo's glue is the only thing that will work, so that's good. So I'm going to take some baking soda. I need baking soda. Only a tiny bit. I add a little bit into my hand. And I just take some and sprinkle it in. It's all over the place. Okay, but it's the only thing that will work, so I will use it. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this in, but I also add in this is scented, so remember that this is a scented slime that I'm making. Oh, it's not really coming out to be anything, just plain. And use the bottom. Okay, let's add this. Okay, so it is making a small amount of color. So I'm gonna grab some of my paint in just 1 second, okay? Sorry about that. I'm just gonna grab that. So, sorry. A little bit. Sorry about background noise. So, just taking off. So I'm adding a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot. Adding some paint into it. This is the first time I'm adding paint into my slime. I'm wondering how it will turn out. A lot of people do that. They can't find food coloring, and I'm trying it out. Hopefully it doesn't affect how the slime looks. So that's really good. Okay, now you need saline solution. This is what activates it. So baking soda and saline solution is what activates it. So you add a little bit at a time, because if you overactivate it, I don't think there's a way to fix it. I think it's actually lotion that you add in with it, but I'm not absolutely sure. Okay, so it's definitely thickening. So just add, it is activating, really good. You could actually add perfume into your slime at any time. But okay, whoa, it's working. So, here it is. You want to touch it with your hands, even though it's really sticky. You don't want to overactivate. So I'm going to add more saline solution. This does get very messy. So, that is good, I think. So, oh no, I don't think this is enough saline solution. You need a lot of it. I'm telling you, a lot. And some slimes you just have to knead the whole time. A lot. This is, oh no, I need more saline solution. I'm just gonna work with this. Hopefully it thickens up. This feels so cool. I'm also adding glitter to it, but this feels so cool. Let me just work with this. Ooh, it's starting to work. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh, sorry about that. So, this is so cool. This feels so cool. Sometimes you just have to like play with the slime. I'm dipping it back in the saline solution. This slime is so cool. It's thickening up. It's no longer sticking as much. This slime is awesome. It feels so cool. So paint is a good solution if you do not have any food coloring. It doesn't seem to stay in your hands. So this, give me 1 second. Okay, so this is feeling awesome. Sorry about that. So this feels awesome. The slime's feeling really good. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the extra, and once you feel like your slime is good, you don't want to dip it back in the bowl if there's any activator left. Because as I know right now, oh, there's no more, I don't think there's a way to deactivate, so be careful. But this slime feels so good. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some of my, give me 1 second. I'm gonna add my glitter. I have blue, holographic, pink, and purple. Ooh, give me 1 second. Excuse me.
Isabel, you have to float the paint.
So I'm just gonna take my slime. So I'm gonna have to put it in the bowl. So I'm gonna grab, oh no, the glitter. Not opening. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of this holographic pieces because it's just so pretty. Whoa! Oh, there's a purple from previous slimes in there. This is supposed to make slime crunchy also to add like. Do you hear that? That's awesome. I'm gonna add in some more glitter. A lot of glitter. Whoa! Oh, that hurts. Oh, what was in that glitter? It's like shards. This slime's so pretty though. I didn't add enough though. I have to add like a lot. Whoa! Oh! This is a lot. This is a lot of glitter. So, this is amazing feeling. So, this is so cool. But I need even more glitter. This is a lot. The glitter's just getting lost in this. Let me grab that. Whoa, that's a lot of glitter. It feels so good. I love this feeling. I definitely think if you just try and make stuff like this, the best, if you're going to make slime that's like this, plain slime, then the best way to do it is to use saline solution and baking soda, like this eye stuff. That stuff works so great. So, yes, give me 1 second, 1 second. Okay, so, sorry about the background noise. So, watching TV in the background. So, a lot more of this. This is making the slime so pretty, but it's like getting. Do you see that? Oh, I don't think you can see it. This slime is so soft. So much glitter. I love this glitter. It's so pretty. And this slime, I love this slime. It's like my favorite I think I ever made besides my fluffy slime. If you saw my previous video, which I don't think I uploaded yet, I have a lot of videos, so I'm going to upload those very soon. But yeah, check the iCards. I think they're good. Yeah, I think it's going to be up there. So, this slime's so nice. I cannot believe how nice this slime is. I've never made slime this good. It's so soft and stretchy. It's just so nice. Is it clicky? Kinda is. Ooh, no, there was saline solution there. I'm just gonna move the bowl. There we go. Kind of feel like it's clicky. So this slime is so nice. I just love it. Now I'm going to check to see if it's clicky. It's not. Now I'm going to make a slime swirl. So let me just stretch. Give me 1 second. They kind of like poof emojis, so let me just stretch. You want to stretch until you can see like lines. Then you will swirl it around. That's really bad. This looks so weird. Let me do that again. Hopes to like roll it out. That's what I like doing. I think it makes it better, but this is a lot of slime. Not a lot, but now I'm just gonna roll it around. Boom. Slime is so nice. So I'm gonna add some more, even more glitter. More glitter for this slime. Wow. So after this video, I'm probably gonna add like a lot more glitter. It's so pretty. I could like see it and it makes so much noise. I'm gonna make a video with my sister Shelby. We will be making normal slime without scent. So, oh, that piece of glitter got shoved up my ear. May have to be careful of that. Ow, that hurts. But this slime is so nice. So even more glitter. So boom, more glitter, even more. So more and more. So I'm just adding like a bunch of glitter. Tell me in the comments below what type of video I should make next. Ooh, it feels so good. I'm adding like so much glitter. I could feel it in like every squeeze of it. This is so nice. It's like so, I could feel the texture of it. You could like feel the glitter in the slime, like in every single time. Whoa, I'm gonna make slime swirl. Kind of looks like a poop emoji when you do it, so you just keep stretching it. But the glitter does make it less stretchy and soft. So I'm just gonna tell you, so be careful with your glitter. So let's see. But I have so much. There it is. So now I'm gonna add in the scent. Let me just add in a tiny bit more glitter. It just makes it so soft. It makes it feel so cool. So I just love it. It's like my favorite slime, I think. I just love it. So I'm gonna add the scent. I'm using the Justice Lemonade Splash. I have more perfume, so I'm like, I'll use some of it. I don't really care. So I'm gonna take it, spray in a lot if you want to. Just make it does feel a little wet for a little while. It will not stay like that unless yours like has some type of chemical in it. I did this actually a couple minutes before I made this video. Oh, that stinks. I put a little perfume inside my slime, and I was like, this smells so good. I have to make a video on that. That could be like the new craze. Scented slime. Check out my edible slime video up in the iCard. Check out my other slime video up in the iCard. And my edible slime one's amazing. I don't have many views on it, surprisingly. But, so I just love this slime. Scented slime. So, let me just add in a squeeze more. And, so, comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments below what type of video I should make next. Bye!